Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Mr. Birkin here. And today we have another unboxing, which is the watercolor edition and some of a little bag that I can say. So I already know what this is because I ordered it's been long time since 2 months ago. I think it's in March. I already deposited this one and then I bought another one. It's online when it's available, but it just goes straight sold out instantly. I don't know which one to unbox, so I think I want to unbox this one first. So it's just a little bag that I bought. This is a special edition. Ta-da! I bought the Felicie Pochette and Vernis. This is the limited edition of Valentines Day 2021. I ordered this one for my sister because she was looking another her friends wearing this one, and she wanted to order this one because it's already sold out worldwide, and I ordered this one from my CA. Anyway, just go forward with this bag. When I saw it, this is really stunning, as because the color is super vibrant, soft, and very elegant when it's very shiny all over. And when you see closely, they have like a pearly metallic color, and are really stunning with the emboss itself because it's very pink emboss, and everything is just collaboration with the flowers and the LV logo, and the pink is super cute. I didn't notice this is the cutest Vernis. And then inside you have two compartments, then you can put it in or put it out, or you can use, or you can do whatever you want. So this is the just for note, and this one they have like 8 card slot and a notes on inside, and they have like Louis Vuitton Paris logo very small there, which is super cute. You get 3 items at once, and of course you get the chain for adjustment strap, which is this is really cute, and it's multi-task kind of bag that you can use. So for example, it's this one you can just use as a long strap, so it just in between your hips kind, and it's very good height adjustment, and then you can make it shorter by just loop it one and clip it, so you can use as that short, and then you can put the chain on the front, so you can just use like that. Super cute. Or you can just pull more, which is this double chain, which is super cute too. And then you can, of course, you can shoulder it. Super cute. And then you can make it shorter than this. buy ones. Clip it in there. So it can get shorter than before. Though it's really tight on the shoulder, it's depending how big is your shoulder. But this is super cute when it's very short strap. But I will be closing you up with this one and these two. So what do you think about this? Link me below your comment. Alright, go to the next one. We unboxing these huge boxes. Just put it there because I don't have much space. Super huge. The receipt, original receipt, which is super excited this one. Which is I really want this really bad. So these two are the same item. Ready? Run it. Super stunning. Okay, just put this one aside. Look at this, so cute. 100% cartoons. I didn't think the edge of this towel with this material, which is it's kind of like a blanket edge, which is super stunning. Oh my god, this is super cute. Oh, so many purple. Super, but it's only one side and the other one is blank, but it's super cute though. I buy two because I thought that I want to join them together as a blanket, but I didn't thought this good, the quality. I mean, I'll talk to you about it, about this towel, and it's super cute. I was thinking like I want to pair as together as this, fold it two, or I join them together. And that make it as a scarf, which is super cute, and I can hold it as scarf, right? Oh my god, this is super cute, right? Super cute. Oh my god, this is stunning. So fabulous. I'm super happy. Oh my god, this is I cannot tell in the world because look at this, it's super cute. Try other style. Just put it like that, it's super cute too, which is a bit wrinkled. It's like a hoodie back, but I need to adjust it or clip it together as like so, which is super cute. I love this watercolor. It's like a hoodie on the back. See, super cute. But this towel is the most expensive towel I ever bought, which is it's 1,440 Australian dollars, which is normally it's only $700 Australian. Yes, it's $1,040 Australian, which is in this quality amazing. That's why I'm buying two, because I don't want to miss it. And oh my god, I can't just talking like this. I'm sorry, but it's super stunning. And or no. Too much and too thick. I cannot do it. But super cute. I love it. And as the website says, this is an ink print, but it's super cute. I can see so many purple in it, which is I really like it. And stunning with the black pochette. Oh my god, I just cannot wait. And this will be the same. I will be unbox this one too, so you can see both of them. Louis Vuitton. And of course they're coming with this, the paper bag. Why this one's wrapping more tidy. Don't have enough space. Oh my god, super cute. Let's do close So this one doesn't have the serial number anymore, and there's no barcode anymore around in the bag, but it coming with the microchip. When you want to authenticate it about your bag, is it real or not, you can just go to the store and they will scan it for you when it's this bag been made, and the code, but you have to go to the store. The code will add, the microchip will be somewhere in the bag. I'm not really sure where exactly, but it's super cute. So you can see the pearly in there. And the chain is very sparkle. You can see here have a Levi logo on it. Super cute. Go here too. Let's do the towel. So the other side it's very plain, and the front is very colorful. You can see on the website the full pattern, but I can show you a bit of this. It's super stunning. So this is the thing that I'm talking about. The normal towel just embroidered at the end, and this end is kinda like blanket, if you can see. Right. And where's that? Okay, this is the logo. So this is the label. Made in Italy, 100% cotton. Super cute. And that's all what I can say about this amazing blanket. I think this is the most beautiful towel I ever bought, and the most expensive towel I ever bought. Oh my god, see, it's super cute, the purple. Even though I have a cute purple, I don't really mind. It's not like the other Pochette or the other Keeple, doesn't really have a purple much. It's so cute. magenta, green, blue, a bit more purple. Oh my god, so cute. And what do you think about this? Okay, I watch it close so you can see the details. I think I have to see in the light more. You can see a bit more. So guys, what do you think about these collections? I'm really excited about the towels because it's amazing towels, and I can use this one as a blanket in the couch, which is I will be posting while I'm using these amazing towels on my couch in my Instagram. If you wanna see more update about my fashion, my unboxing, about my fashion is my clothes. Especially I don't really buying like expensive clothing except the jacket or the leather jacket or the boots, the shoes, and the bag. For itself, this one is just pants, and my pants mostly it's Pettinelliano and some Burberry, but it's not really high luxury items because I just really clumsy at all the times, and I'm really simple. I don't wanna like extravaganza fashion show on the street, and this is who I am, and I don't really tell lies in my Instagram or my social media. This is who I am, this is what I am, so I just proud as I am, and I love myself so much. And I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, just link me below in the comments, and I will be answering as soon as possible if I have time. And love each other and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing and liking this video, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.